Dímelo cantando, dímelo cantando. Becky, do you want to build a snowman?
Yes. Well, let's go and play. Did you wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I see you never see you anywhere. When out the door, it's gonna go.
In today's video, we're going to build a snowman in our door, not outside. So this is the Dollarama craft kit that I got the other day, and we're going to build this one in our door. Let's see.
So here we are just trying to get all the pieces together and see what the kit included, and also just try to separate them and see how we were going to stick them or glue them to the door. In the pattern, we wanted to start with the hat. Becky helped me to put all the stickers in the hat so we could glue it to the door. Meanwhile, I started to put together all the pieces that were going to be on the hat. I added the hat accessories, and Becky helped me to add sticks or stickers to the eyes. Okay, so here I had added already the eyes, the nose, the cheeks, and I needed to add the smile and the scarf, also the buttons. So we started to put everything together. Becky glued the stickers to the buttons and the circles that were gonna be part of the smile. Meanwhile, I started figuring out how the scarf was going to be.
Hello, I just wanted to come back quickly and tell you about the snowman and the materials that the kit had. So let me show you. Okay, so the hat is like a black carton. It could be like construction paper, but it's a little bit harder. And this one is made of foam. Let me know if you're interested in the pieces of these snowmen, because I can actually reproduce and see the measurements if you really want to do it at home. And the eyes are just wiggly eyes, but these are big ones, like the palm of my hand. The nose is also foam and it had a sticker on it. This one is also foam, and these are just construction paper or the same material as this one, foam. The cheeks and the scarf is made of felt, so it's felt, and this one is foam. This one had already sticker, so I didn't have to add any other sticker here, and well, this one was part of it. Okay, the buttons is also carton, and it also included these pieces of double stickers, and these you can stick or glue to the door, to the wall. It sticks in both sides, so it's very easy to do, and it's really cute, big enough for the door. I hope that you enjoyed making this snowman with us, and if you do, please don't forget to click on the like button and on the subscribe button. See you the next time. Bye bye.